Hi, it's Jeff with Mart, product expert, and we're going to look at the lithium-ion battery backup that is in all of the Pride Viva chairs. So what's really nice about this is continuously charging all the time when you're using it. You always want to make sure you have a little green light on the charger itself, and that tells you that it is on, it's active, and that it is charging. And basically this just sits behind your chair, and that way it's ready to go. So we're going to show you what happens if you have a power outage, or if for some reason the chair accidentally becomes unplugged from the wall, how the lithium-ion battery works to get you out of either like a sitting position, or in this case a sleeping or reclined position, or for example the zero gravity position. So I'm going to show you how it works right now. Alright, so I'm back in my nice relaxed position. We're going to go and simulate a power outage, or if for some reason the plug comes out of the wall. And now we need to use our chair to get out of this position. So if you notice, it does operate a little bit slower, and basically just enough power to get you out of that position up to a standing position. At that point though, I would not recommend using the battery as a continuous system. It's really just an emergency backup in case of the event of a power failure like I mentioned, or it becomes unplugged. So basically if the power is out and you go to stand up, you want to make sure that you get it plugged back in and get it charging as soon as you can. But beyond that, I wouldn't take a chance of using it more than just a couple times. But for the most part, you just want to use it to get out of your position and up to a standing position. So we just don't want you to get stranded in the chair. Again, that's the lithium-ion battery backup, which is available in all the Viva line from Pride Mobility.